Hi everyone, my name is Leandro and I'm here to show you my new template published on Miroverse. It's called the Solo Founder AI Product Copilot, and I'm here to explain the content behind it. So if you have an app or a product or a SaaS or some product that you have your code in GitHub, for example, the idea is to, with the use of AI from Miro AI flows, to understand where the gap is. In this case, there are three different scenarios. So the first one is about documents and features mismatch. The second one is the data models. And the third one, new ideas and prototypes. So basically, I have an example on my right-hand side. Oh, I'm already here. So basically, the first session using the flows, you need to connect to your GitHub code. So AI flows and Miro can understand your app and your code by itself. And the idea here is quite simple, because if we have some apps that are published, there are two documents that are very important for yourself and your company. Those are the privacy policy and the service terms. And what I found when I was building Epilogue, for example, Epilogue is just the app of epilepsy that I built for the epilepsy community. I found that the more features I build, sometimes the more diverge I became from the privacy policy or even the service terms. So what I did, I connected the privacy policy and service terms here in a frame, on the frame here, and then on the other side, a third document. Those are the app overview for AI agents. So it basically captures all the information from Epilogue itself and put it here so AI can track. So the next step here is another AI flow to get the features from the app and cross-check with the informations we have published. So this document will generate like a gap analysis between the features that you have in your app and what you have written in your privacy policy, for example, because those are very important to keep track. Otherwise, you have some legal issues in the future, because then if you allow people to do something that is not on the privacy policy, or you capture data that is not on privacy policy, then you have a huge issue. And then later, basically, this prompt will help you to analyze the complexity and the feasibility of each of the gaps and help you on the next steps. So basically, it will add first task, second task, third task, etc., etc. So this is the first one. The second one, I will be quick. The data model, so basically it will capture all the data models from your code so you can see properly if you have some duplications, some fields that are dependent on each other and should not be, or you have some models that are very without parents. So this is simple for you to quickly capture those type of issues if that's the case, and work in models that could help the entities to be more stronger and scalable for future development. And then basically another prompt to help you organize the next steps, what you need to do. So those are the items for the next steps. And this is using also Miro flows, so you can basically run the step and there we go. Then you have your your deliverables here in super quickly. Last but not least, we have the new ideas and prototypes. This is something that I really enjoy, because basically you can put an idea here, you multiply your idea based on your first one. And the funny thing here is that you can connect to your GitHub using the connectors. That is not live yet, but will be in the future, of course. And then based on your code, what is feasible or not. And then later, then the prompt is right here. Later, they can build the prototype, so you can see live how these ideas will be working using your own app UX or UI and UI. So this is really cool. Something that caught my attention for my app, for example, is this part here to change the patients. We don't have here at Epilogue now, but this is a huge idea and I will be definitely implementing it. Thanks to the prototyping and Miro for giving me this idea. We have a lot of arrows here, but it's basically how the prototype will work. So if we play here the prototype, or in this case my free version, my business version don't allow me, but then if you click on play, then you can play around with buttons and then you can see it how it works live. And then later you have another document that will tell you what you need to do to achieve these documents, these prototypes, where you have to update on your code. And one thing that I really enjoy from this result is the rationale behind it, so it's not giving you only like a random idea. Actually, he's giving a reason behind the proposed changes. So this is something that I really enjoy. And this is the template for now. I'm pretty sure in the future I will have more options here, but for now, those are my pain points, for example, and I would like to share with the community. So that's it. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.